In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Black Ops 6, the game has crashed error codes. Now the first thing that we want to try is we want to come down here and search for Xbox, right click on the Xbox app and go to app settings. Now in here what we want to do is we want to press terminate and then press reset and reset again. After this is done loading, you can close it down, and then what you want to do is head over to Windows. Search for Windows Update. In here, you want to scroll down and find Advanced Options. Enable this one. Come back and check for updates. Once that is done, what you can do is you can close this one down, and then you can search for Device Manager. Open up Device Manager, head to Display Adapters, right click on it, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. Once this is done and you made sure that you have the latest Windows update as well as the latest driver, something important is that you download the software to your driver. So you can see this is my graphics card. So you just want to go on Google and search for the name of your graphic card, not mine, and then search for software. Then it's going to give you the software for it, and that's also going to help fix the issue. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.